I am Dr. Pete, Edochie'S. I started life as a broadcaster in 1967 and I retired in 1998. That's after 31 years. I was taken to Lagos by a young man called James Aja, who had a production he wanted me to feature in, Stolen Crown. So I went to Lagos and I was checked into a hotel. I was new in Lagos, I didn't know anywhere. That was how I got to know Ibu. John Okafor stayed with me in that hotel. Occasionally, he would come from elsewhere to ensure that we bought beans and rice from a Yoruba woman who was coming to that place regularly. So every moment I would prepare myself for my breakfast only if Ibu would come, and he would. So we stayed together for quite some time. While I was being part of that production, he would occasionally come and stay with me, show me Lagos kind of, because I wasn't used to anybody, so he gave me wonderful company until we got to do a production. I don't remember the title of that production now, but I know that Susan Patrick was my daughter in that production. She got married to somebody I didn't like, so I kicked her out of the house. Ibu was in that production, and he played the role of an imbecile, and that was how he took off. He played that role so convincingly that he looked like a congenital imbecile. And people would want him to come and play that role in other productions. And that was how he started until he became too big, let me put it that way. He was a wonderful company. He loved me a lot. He respected me a lot as a senior. And whenever we sat down together, he would insist on my breaking cola nut, so he could listen to me and hear the things I would say. And he would use those things outside, elsewhere. I was a source of inspiration to him, and it was wonderful company to me. I heard about his death. I knew he'd been sick for a long time. When I was expecting him to recover, I'm much older than he is. I miss him. Well, we all have our time. When to come and when to go.